Welcome to my channel, and today we're making kimchi fried rice with a cheesy twist. So let's get started. Here we have some green onions where I cut into thin slices so we can cook down later. Then we have the yellow onions. I prefer them because they're not as harsh. And I slice them thinly and I dice them off camera. And this is what they should look like. I dice the onions. We have the green onions, the kimchi, we have the garlic and the ginger. We have the red chili flakes and the gochujang for our spices. Then we season our meat. Here I use a ribeye that I cut into cube pieces and I season with salt. Then I also season with some black pepper. I like a lot of black pepper because it gives it a nice bite. And I also season with garlic powder. I think this is a kitchen essential because it's used in so many different recipes, so it's good to just have on hand. So these are all the ingredients that we're taking outside. We have corn and the rice that I didn't mention. Here, I'm bringing the pan up to heat. I'm going to spray with canola oil. Then here we have the meat. Now that the pan is hot enough, I'm going to raise the temperature and then I pour all the meat in. You want to cook the meat on high because that way it gets a nice sear without cooking all the way through. And I'm moving the meat around just so it doesn't clump. As you can see, it's seared on one side, so we need to sear it on the other side. And it should look like this. It's browned and charred, and that's exactly what you want, and that's what flavor is. We move it to a separate bowl because if we want to continue cooking the rice, we don't want to overcook the meat. Here I put all the aromatics in, the ginger, the garlic, the green onions, and the kimchi. This is where all the aromatics really come together. And in a little bit, you'll see what they start to look like. Here, we're mixing it. The onions have broken down. The garlic has broken down as well. And the kimchi's really impart flavor on all the rest of the aromatics. Then I add some corn. Because what kind of fried rice doesn't have corn? Corn is a must-have. At least in my book. Next, we add 2 cups of rice. And then we break up the rice. And then I re-add the meat with its juices. And this adds even more flavor on top of the aromatics. We stir it, mixing all the flavors together. And now the kimchi's really stained the rice now. And that's the look you want. But to take it further, we're going to add the gochujang paste that I highly recommend. Because it gives it a nice kick. And it gives a little bit of sweetness. And this is what turns the rice really orange and red. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot the eggs. So we're going to cook some eggs real quick. We're going to add it to the rice and I'll meet you inside. Here we have the rice. Honestly, you can stop here. But you know what? This is where the twist comes in. We add the mozzarella cheese. The moment we've been waiting for. And go crazy with it. Then I put into air fryer, or you can put it in the oven for about 400 or on a broil setting just to melt the cheese. Here I put it in 400 for 3 minutes and then I garnish with some furikake. And you know what? You can't forget the green onions. And there you have it. The kimchi fried rice with the twist. Mozzarella cheese, furikake, green onions on top. Definitely a sight to see. Give this recipe a try, guys. It tastes amazing. Remember to keep cooking. Because cook what you like, because no one else can make it the way you do. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Alright guys, peace out.